Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Tenaj Nikki, and today I am going to be doing a shoe unboxing. Now, this is something that I sent to myself. I went on a trip to Detroit recently, which is my hometown. One of the things I love to do when I go there is to shop. I love to shop. While shopping, I purchased so many things, it was too much to bring back home on the plane. So I mailed it to myself, and now I am going to be opening that box with you guys so I can remind myself all the wonderful things that I bought while I was up there. So if you're interested in something like that, keep watching and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you're subscribing, make sure you click the notification bell to notify of everything I have coming out here on YouTube. So let's get into it. So this is the box that was from my sister's house that I mailed everything into. Oh goodness. So what I did was I was only able to get 2 pair of shoes back into my suitcase, and then my mom mailed it the same day that I left, so I was able to get this like within 2 days. I'll start with the shoes that did make it into my suitcase. Here they are. This brand is called Cupid. It is in a size 7.5. And these were actually on sale. I got them for $5 at Simply 10. If you don't know, Simply 10 is kind of like a bit of a salvage store, and it kind of has all of these random stores that inventory just didn't move, and it goes to Simply 10 where everything is literally $10 or less. And that included these shoes, but these shoes were on sale and they were $5. These made it to my suitcase because I knew that I had an event to go to as soon as I came home, and I wanted to make sure that I wore these, so these made it in there. It's unthinkable to get something this cute for $5. I'll show you what they look like on, and again, good fit. They have a solid foundation, they walk really well, and yeah, chef's kiss. These were some jelly thong sandals that I got. These were $10, and I kind of got these out of like, okay, I need something like this. I don't typically wear flat shoes that often. It's either heels or sneakers for me, and little flats like this are kind of essential. This is something that you need on the beach. It just goes with a multitude of outfits, and I needed a pair. So you see what they wear like here. My only concern is that there isn't any arch support or much support at all. These are just literally shoes that you throw on, but again, they're kind of necessary, especially living here in Atlanta. You need something like that to throw on. So $10, again, fantastic deal. Okay, so to get to some shoes that I think are classic Tenaj would be these pumps that have the star studs on them, you guys. And this is in like a hunter green. You see this? You see this detail? Amazing. And again, $10. I say these are classic me because having a 4 to 4.5 inch heel with a pointed toe, having a 4 to 4.5 inch heel that has a pointed toe, a rich color with some extra bling going on it, that's me in a nutshell. All of this is me. So I was really excited to find them. I actually walked past them a couple of times. I got these in a 7.5. Because I wear pointed toe, I tend to go a half a size or a size up. I will even wear an 8 if it requires that my foot isn't scrunched up. I still want my foot to lay flat like this inside of a shoe. And you can see how it wears here. And with it wearing the way that it does, I feel like 7.5 was a perfect thing. I don't like breaking in shoes like that. I mean, that's where you get corns and bunions, and we don't want that here. No. I love these shoes. Oh, this color is just everything. Yeah, $10. So to counterpoint a classically Tenaj shoe, this is one that is not. This is also by Cupid. I don't have the make of this shoe, but this is by Cupid, and you see the huge chunky heel and the square toe. Not normally my thing, but my mom saw these and was like, oh, you need these are really cute, you should get them. I did pick them up. I did wear these actually I wore out when I was buying the other shoes. I love them. You can see here how they wear. They walk incredibly. You could wear these literally all day. I think that the huge chunk of a heel helps. And these were also half off at the Simply 10 store, so that meant they were $5. This yellow chartreuse color, again, it's kind of one of those things where I'm like, I don't know why I'm attracted to this color so much this season, but I just noticed almost everything that I bought in the past month or so is green or yellowish green like this. That's the color I'm on these days, and to find these shoes, just amazing. They walk beautifully, they're super cute, and I love them. So this is a shoe by Cape Robin. Now I find that a lot of the really bold shoes that are very affordable that I like are by Cape Robin, and this shoe is no different. So it is a strappy sandal that is zebra print with hot pink straps. I mean, you can't get any bolder than this. A lot of people see this like, what do you even wear this with? You can wear this with anything. Just think of this with an all black outfit with these shoes. See, you see what I'm saying? All white outfit with these shoes, a hot pink outfit with these shoes. It's just, yes, that you're getting the vibe. Now you see why I picked it up. These were only $10. These Cape Robin shoes are in a size 7. So like I told you guys, I can go from 6.5 to 8 if necessary. I would say for heels, classically, I am a size 7. And you can see here how it wears and what it looks like on the foot. It's a beautiful shoe. And just this design in general is very trendy. I picked up some Fashion Nova shoes that were similar that didn't have as many straps. But yeah, this is super cute. And again, for $10, you can't beat it. So I believe, the green pumps were Chase and Chloe, and so is this. These strappy heels, again, you will see here how they actually look on the foot. I think that is much better representation than this strappiness that you see right here. I got this because this is a fantastic nude shoe for me. You see, in general, I think you always need a good nude heel, specifically your nude. I know that's gonna get me on a tangent a bit, but whose nude is nude? And so you have to understand this camel-y type of nude is a nude for me. And I got this in a 7.5 because when I wore the 7 with the straps on, I just felt like I literally couldn't walk in them even though they fit. And I would say that's one thing that's important to know if you're venturing into high heels like this. Always having a shoe that fits comfortably is more important than having just the right size shoe. So again, this is in a 7.5, and I call this like a brace strap. That means you can run in them if you want to. So again, you see how this wears on the foot, and I'm really excited to style this because again, it's a nude shoe for me, and a nude shoe that has a lot going on with it, and I just think it's really, really cute, and I got it for just $10. So these beautiful chocolate brown strappy sandals are in a 6.5, and that's what I was trying to tell you guys. It all depends on the cut, it all depends on the maker, because you see these wear and look just as good as the 7.5s that I had on earlier. So yeah, it all depends on who made the shoe, is on how I like to wear it or what size I'll get. This brand is called Mata, I think I'm saying that right, M-A-T-A, and it actually does have the stylish shoe in it. It's called High Hopes, and ooh, I cannot wait to wear these like just out and about, and because they walk so comfortably. You see how well it fits here? It's just so cute, so cute. And it goes up the ankle, and again, I like things that like strap your foot down because I wear heels for a long time and I don't want my foot to move. I want it to be tight and secure, but comfortably secure in whatever I'm wearing. So yeah, these so cute. $10. So here's the deal. I love a chaotically beautiful shoe like this. Is it a boot? Is it a pump? I don't know. It has lines and colors and different metallics and leathery stuff and a gold shiny heel. Yeah, I'm all about beautiful chaos like this. I absolutely love this shoe. The designer is L&K. This is in a size 7. And you guys, this is everything. Again, you're like, what do you even wear with this? Everything. You wear jeans, you can wear a dress with this. There's so much you could do with this. And oh my god, you see how beautifully it wears when I have it on. And oh, funny story, when we were in the store, I saw this right before I was ready to check out, and one of the store clerks who was in the aisle saw me try this on. She was like, oh my gosh, you have to get this. You're the only person I saw where this actually looked good on your foot. That was such a beautiful backhanded yet forward compliment. I'm so sorry for all the people who tried this on before me. She side-eyed you and was like, that doesn't look good, don't get it. The store that I went to, everything was $10. This wasn't simply 10, it was another store that was similar to it, but for shoes, 10 bucks. Just beautiful. This pretty piece of art, okay, this is super trendy, super on brand. This is probably something that just about everybody is into these days. The square toe with the braided strap, completely on trend. Also $10, and it has this suede material. This is a little padded and it feels fantastic on the foot. It walks well. When I say something walks well, that means that I can walk in it for a very long time without adjusting how I move my feet naturally. This shoe was so beautiful. I contemplated, because there was in 4 colors. I went ahead and got the blush pink color. I'm going to show you guys that really quickly. This is it in the blush pink. See here, I got it in a size 7. Both of these were in size 7. It had like a hunter green and another color. It was like a burgundy-ish purple. Those were the colors that they had, but these were the 2 that I picked up. And you guys, these are just so beautiful. And I'm so excited to have gotten these. Again, they were $10 each. Yeah, I scored huge on these. These red sandals I got in a size 7. And these were the very last ones of the kind they had in the store. They are absolutely gorgeous. Again, these, I don't know if they walk as well, because I think I only tried them on briefly. But you can see how they wear here on my foot. Just absolutely gorgeous shoes. Again, $10. See, when it's $10 when the stakes are that low, you can go for it. You can see, oh, I don't really like these. Turn around and put them on Poshmark if you don't care for them. Something like that. But you can't lose when they're 10 bucks. I don't have any red sandals. I do have red pumps. But that's the other thing I have for myself. As far as shoes go, I own a lot. I own a lot to the point where I don't know how many, because I don't want to feel guilty about buying more. But I do have a little bit of rules to myself. I try not to buy the same kind of shoe, if you know what I mean. The only exception to that is like shoes that are in black. If I have green shoes, I try to get maybe green sandals and green boots, and then no more green shoes. Same thing with red. I'll try to get red shoes, red sandals, red boots, and then I'm done with red. Do you see what I'm saying? And so that's kind of my way of keeping it under control. But I'll be the first to admit, I own too many pair of shoes, but I frankly don't care. It's one of my happy things. We all have vices. Mine happens to be shoes. So another pair of shoes that I picked up, surprisingly, I know you guys were like, oh, she's had strappy high heel shoes the whole time, except for those other ones. No, I really did look at all their flats, and I couldn't bring myself to buy most of them because I felt like I was forcing myself to. I have to get like an emotional reaction on shoes and go, oh, yes, I need those. So that's what happens with all these shoes. I had the, oh, yeah, I gotta get those. I already have these in gray, and I walk around the house in them, and I walk the dogs with them and all this other stuff, and they're just like fluffy little clouds, and I really enjoy wearing these. These are just fantastic house shoes for the summer, because you know your feet get kind of hot in the summertime and you don't want to wear your traditional house shoes or house socks. These are a really great alternative. These were also $10, and you can find similar ones on Amazon. But these are just super lovely. And I got these in like a neutral color, so if I want to wear them with an outfit, I can still kind of wear these with an outfit and it not be something glaringly obvious that, oh, she's wearing her house shoes outside. And I will say that for flats, I almost always have to get my true size, which is a 6 to 6.5, and these are a size 6. And last but not least, these are the trendiest shoes that I bought that, again, I felt like, yeah, these are cute and are a little bit outside of my comfort zone, so I picked them up. I kept this in the paper so that you can see kind of the structure of what it's supposed to be, because without it just kind of flops. But I'll show you what it wears like here. It is a very comfortable shoe, surprisingly comfortable, at least for me. One of the things that I love about it is that I feel like I'm just wearing kind of nothing. Like, these are that comfortable for me that they feel like I'm wearing nothing. And the fact that it's so trendy, I mean, if you told me 10 years ago I was wearing something like this, I wouldn't believe you. And they had this in 3 different colors: black, traditional nude, and this chocolate color. I got it in the chocolate color because at the time I didn't have any chocolate shoes, so that's why I picked these up. And I just felt they were cute and funky, and not funky looking, you know what I mean? Like, these are something really cute to get. Also $10. Like I said, everything in here was $10 or less. You have like traditional sandals that have this toe feature, and it's very comfortable for me. So having all this was just like, oh, this is so cute. This is definitely something that like I'm into. This is also that Mata brand, and this is also in the 6.5. So if we're looking back at the other brands that I bought, the ones that were Mata, they were either 6.5 or 7s for me, and they fit very comfortably. And other brands I got up to 7.5. So again, really depends on the maker, the cut of the shoe, and everything. So that's my tip, especially if you're out shopping in traditional stores. If you see that it doesn't fit you well in your traditional size, go up or down a little bit to see if it works better out for you. That was my shoe unboxing for all of the cool shoes that I bought while I was in Detroit. So many that I had to send them home to myself. So that's something I've been doing for a really long time. So if you guys are ever on vacation and you see that, oh my gosh, I'm finding all these cool items, mail them to yourself. It's usually cheaper than to be paying more to get back on the plane. So if you enjoyed today's content, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below which was your favorite pair of shoes. I don't know if I have a favorite. All these are pretty unique, and I think that they fit into my wardrobe really well, and I'll be able to style them with so many cool pieces. So let me know which one you guys like the most. Also, if you did enjoy it, subscribe to the channel, and if you're subscribing, make sure you click the notification bell so notify of everything I have coming out here on YouTube, and sharing my content really helps my channel grow. Follow me on social media. I'm at Tenaj Nikki. That is on Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you all again so much for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.